Alright guys, 0. These are reading by pounds, so it's gonna be like, I did a conversion, so I got a couple pounders in here. You just do a conversion if you know how you guys live. It's that Rapala scale. I got a couple good ones. Shout out to Slack Tide, NC Crappie Fishing. So there it is. It's 1 pound 36. So that's 1.36 pounds. And conversion, you're gonna be looking at 1.5 pounds. So yeah. So that's 134. You see the scale good?
Yeah.
134. You gotta do the conversion, alright guys? It's not 1.3 ounces.
Okay.
No, I'm not done yet. This one, I think this one might just be a pound. .05 pounds. Got a couple like that, but oh, this is the one I waited on. There's another big one right here. Right there. Huh. Okay, 1.03. I swear, this ain't the heavy one. There's another one. That one right there. Wow, ouch. .101.
Set him to the side.
My heaviest one is that one that would have that sore on the tail. I think this one. .101 again. But anyways, everyone in here is a pound apiece. I think I haven't weighed this one. So 1.14 pounds. Alright guys, Notorious Jig, Slack Tide, NC Crappie Fishing. Keep slaying guys.